Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing both camera footage and external audio into the same event. Make sure sample rates match to avoid drift. Once done, create a project with the camera frame rate and correct audio settings so Final Cut Pro X won't resample. Next, enable rolls and audio skimming to preview dialogue and reference tones quickly. Use clear file names or tags now so you can find matching takes. This saves time when you begin automated sync or manual alignment. Choose matching camera and external audio, right-click and pick Synchronize Clips to let Final Cut map waveforms. This is fast and accurate for most takes. If automatic sync struggles, line the peaks visually. Drag external audio under the camera clip, zoom the timeline, and nudge in 1/10 frame increments until waveforms match. Once roughly aligned, open the Precision Editor and use the slip and trim tools to refine timing. This ensures your lip movements and transient hits align at subframe precision for natural sync. After confirming sync, detach or disable the camera's onboard audio and replace it with your synced external track, assigning roles and baking any needed ducking or EQ. Make sure to listen across edits to match room tone and level automation so cuts stay invisible. If you notice drift later, first verify file sample rates and timecode, then examine waveform offsets, and, if necessary, apply a tiny retime or resync that clip. One key tip: if intermittent drift appears, transcode the external audio to the project's sample rate and resync to eliminate conversion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.